Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Valdez. I am 29 years old from Newark, Delaware. I am very excited to be a part of the Widener's Masters of Social Work program and excited to see what this second course holds. The reason I wanted to pursue my Masters of Social Work now is because of my current profession. I currently work for the state of Delaware as a psychiatric social worker 3. So currently my job is to coordinate mental health and or substance abuse services for kids under 18 that have Medicaid or no insurance. So I kind of reached the maximum career ladder that I can right now without being licensed. So my goal is to obtain my MSW and eventually get my LCSW in order to move up as a team leader within my current agency. I feel this is the right time for me in my life. I moved last year, so I've been settled in our new house. My kids are a little bit older, they're 2 and 5. My husband's very supportive, so I feel at this time it was the right time to go back to school and give it a try. So I am very excited to embark on this new journey, and I look forward to meeting and working with all of you. Take care.